Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel The Upcoming Doctors. So in this session we are going to discuss about the axillary artery. Okay, so the branches of axillary artery. So to remember this we have a mnemonic. So this is a mnemonic session, right? First of all, coming to the axillary artery in brief, we have the three parts of axillary artery, right? And what makes divide into the three parts means the muscle called pectoralis minor muscle. So the pectoralis minor muscle will divide the axillary artery into the three parts. Okay, so we can see in the diagram what are the three parts actually divided by the pectoralis minor muscle. Yes, this is a diagram which is showing the pectoralis minor muscle. This is the pectoralis minor muscle, and this entire thing, the artery, is the axillary artery. Okay, and the axillary artery is getting divided into three parts by this muscle, as this muscle crosses over the axillary artery. And whatever the part I am drawing in the green color, right? So this is the first part of the axillary artery, and then we can see one part which I am drawing with sky blue color now. Okay, this part which is behind the pectoralis minor muscle, that is the second part of the axillary artery. And whatever the remaining part, no, this part, this entire thing is the third part of the axillary artery. This is all about the parts of the axillary artery: first part, second part, and the third part. Okay, which is divided by pectoralis minor muscle. So this is an important MCQ also. It can be asked as MCQ. What muscle can divide, what makes divide the axillary artery into three parts? That is nothing but the pectoralis minor muscle. Okay, so we can see here through this mnemonic we can remember the branches of axillary artery. We have the mnemonic: slap the lawyer, save a patient. Okay, so we can take every word we can take the first letter as a mnemonic, so it will become STL and SAP. So you can remember by slap the lawyer and save a patient. Okay, STL, SAP. And what does it mean? Actually we discussed that the axillary artery will be divided into three parts. So first part, second part, third part, and subsequently it also has the first part will give only one branch, and correspondingly second part will give two branches, and third part will have three parts respectively. So what are the parts? STL, SAP, right? So first S stands for the superior thoracic artery. This is only one branch from the first part of the axillary artery. And coming to the two branches from the second part, that is the thoracoacromial artery and the lateral thoracic artery. And coming to the third part, we have three branches. One is a subscapular artery, another one is a anterior circumflex humeral artery, and posterior circumflex humeral artery. So you can remember all these branches by the mnemonic STL and SAP. That is nothing but slap the lawyer and save a patient. Okay, right? You remembered all these branches, and we have another more branch, that the second part branch is thoracoacromial artery. It is also called as acromico thoracic artery. So acromico thoracic artery, otherwise called thoracoacromial artery, both are same. Okay, so and again the thoracoacromial artery having the branches, we can remember those branches by this mnemonic, that is A, B, C, D. A stands for the acromial branch, B stands for the pectoral, that means breast related to the pectoral region, so chest region, pectoral branch, and C stands for the clavicular branch, and D stands for the deltoid branch. This is all about the four branches of the thoracoacromial artery. So we can see in the diagram also. Yes, this is the diagram which is showing the branches of the axillary artery. From the first we have, remember that we have the superior thoracic artery, right? This is the superior thoracic artery labeled here. Yes, this part is the branch from the first part of axillary artery. Definitely this is the first part of the axillary artery. We can see in the picture clearly the superior thoracic artery is a branch of first part. And coming to the second part, we seen that acromico thoracic, otherwise called thoracoacromical artery. So again it has four branches. We can see here acromial branch, pectoral branch, clavicular branch, yes, and deltoid branch. All these branches are nothing but A, B, C, D, we remembered. And these are the branches of the thoracoacromial artery, which is it is a branch of second part of the axillary artery. And coming to the third part, we can see anterior circumflex and posterior circumflex humeral arteries. Why these both arteries are actually related to the humerus, and correspondingly the names also says whatever the artery which is present anteriorly to the humerus bone, that's called anterior circumflex humeral artery, and whatever branch which is posterior to the humerus, we can see here in the dotted lines, right? Yes, this shows, the dotted line shows the posterior, so it is posterior to the humerus. That's why posterior circumflex humeral artery. Another branch is the subscapular artery. You can see here, this is the subscapular artery, right? So this is all about the axillary artery branches. You can remember we have two mnemonics discussed here: save the lawyer, right, and save a patient. By this we can remember the three parts branches of the axillary artery. And another mnemonic, that is A, B, C, D. for acromial, breast, which means pectoral, and clavicular, deltoid, right? These are the branches of what? Acromico thoracic artery, otherwise called thoracoacromial artery, which is an in turn a branch of second part of the axillary artery. This is all about the session. Thank you so much for your support, and please like and share the channel and subscribe to the channel so that you'll get each and every notification, and join the Telegram channel. Thank you for your support. Thank you.